Today we're making tacos, soft shell, hard shell. And it's a taco kit that I got from the store. It was fun to make. Come along, see how I'll make it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making tacos, and they're going to be ground meat tacos. We have hard shells, soft shells, shredded cheese, and it's a kit, so it also comes with the salsa and the seasoning. So I've got a pan over here heating. Okay, let me just turn so you can see the pan. There you go. All right, and I'm gonna add my meat to it. It's a pound of ground meat. And we're just going to brown this until it's fully cooked, and then we're going to add our seasoning. Okay, I might also use other seasonings or other toppings, not just the cheese. I like to also use add cucumbers to mine. Sometimes I add diced pickles, tomatoes. Oh, I'm definitely going to be using tomatoes today with the cheese. Sometimes I use sour cream. I'm not using sour cream today. Okay, so I like a combination. I like to have some of the soft and some of the hard shell tacos. And I also like my shells I like to put in a lot of the liquid from the meat mixture after it's seasoned, because I like the shell to soften up a little. And I like the flavor of the corn from the taco one. From the corn one, I like the flavor of the corn. It might be my favorite one, but I just don't like too much of the crunchiness of it. Okay. Okay guys, our meat is cooked through, but I'm just going to show you there's plenty of oil in here. Okay, and what I want to do is I want to drain that oil. Okay, there you go. You see that? I just want to drain that. Okay, let's get rid of that so we don't have to have that in our tacos. There you go. Okay, so there you go. That's gone. Show you. Okay, it's a little bit left, but that's not going to hurt anyone. That's just a bit. You just got to get rid of the main part of it. Okay, then we've got the taco seasoning. I normally don't put in all of it. I put in maybe about 2/3 of it. About half to 2/3. And the reason for that is because of the salt. It's loaded with salt. Sometimes I do buy the low sodium seasoning packet that comes by itself, but I haven't seen them lately in the stores. But that's a good option to have. Okay, then I'm going to put 2/3 cup. I'm going to put a little bit more of water, because I like it to be liquidy. I like my taco meat to have a little bit more liquid so that my tacos can soak in the liquid. Okay, then you're just gonna mix that around. Make sure it's all mixed in there. Okay, and what I'm doing now is I'm chopping up the vegetables that I'm going to use in the tacos. I've got chopped up cucumbers over here. I don't know if you can see them. Let's see. Okay, there you go. Chopped up cucumbers. I'm going to dice up some tomatoes. And I think, oh, and some lettuce. I have lettuce also in the refrigerator. I think those are going to be the only 3 toppings plus shredded cheese and salsa. Okay, I think that's the only 3 toppings. We're going to let this come. We're going to let the meat come to a simmer. And we're going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes or so. And then it'll be ready for us to assemble everything. Okay. I almost forgot. I didn't give you a shot of the meat. After I put in the seasoning, I had the camera turned this way. Okay, that's what that looks like. Okay, and again, we're waiting for this to come to a simmer and just let it cook for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, so the meat is ready. We're going to assemble our tacos. And if you're still with me and you're a new visitor to my channel, please take a second just to subscribe. It only takes a second. Just a friendly reminder. Just get it done and it's over with. 1 second. Doesn't cost anything. And it'll make me happy. It makes my numbers go up. And it shows YouTube that somebody is at least interested in my videos, which makes me happy. And we've got our heated tacos. Let me turn off the toaster oven. So we heated these for about 3 or 4 minutes at 325 degrees. So now what we're going to do is we're going to fill them up. Okay, hopefully you can see what I'm doing. All right, what I'll do is we've got lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, some of the salsa that came with the kit, and some shredded cheese. This is cheddar cheese. Okay, so here we go. Let me just line them up this way. Okay, like that, they're easier to fill. Alright, so I like to put some of the ground meat. I like to do that part first. Oops. Okay, a little bit there. Alright, then I like some of the liquid. Because like I said earlier, I like the liquid to soften up the shell. Plus I like the flavor that the mix produces. Okay, so I just put that in there. Only in the hard shell ones I like it, not the soft ones, and they're really soggy. Okay, then I like to put some of the tomatoes. There you go. Okay. All right. Some of the cucumber. Now you don't have to use cucumbers in yours if you don't like. You can use whatever type toppings you like. Some people use pickles. Everybody uses something different that they like. Not everybody makes traditional tacos. You can make your tacos to your liking. You know, you don't even have to add any of these things. You can add whatever you like, your tacos. There you go. That's what that looks like. Those are my tacos. Get a close-up view of that. Okay. There you go. All right. I'm going to take a bite to taste it. I'll taste one of the soft ones. If you want to make this taco mix, it's a kit and it's made by Old El Paso, and it's a dinner kit, and it comes with 6 soft shell tacos, 6 hard shell tacos, and salsa, and the seasoning mix. All right, guys, thank you for coming by. Again, for those of you that subscribe, thank you again, and I'll see you next time.